Hi, my name is Sergio Esteban Carvajal. I am 28 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Tocaima. I am studying math at UNAD. My favorite sport is football. I lead English. My phone number is 3154289 I had a great friend. She is beautiful. She is student engineering. My father is teacher. He is intelligent and cheerful. My dad is 55 years old and my mother is also weak. She is intelligent. She is beautiful. She likes to dance. The wonderful Cartagena. The wonderful Cartagena. On my last vacation, I traveled to Cartagena. I was in Boca Grande. Last July 3 was very close to be on the beach. 3 white Korean friends. We to Castle of the San Felipe and the monument of the clock and net the beach of the Baru, which is wonderful. 3 we and the next we went out to see the Wallet City. This is holiday cost me 2 million pesos. View the very wonderful. Chose travel to Cartagena is a wonderful place. We do not need passports as a spectacular climate to be on the beach. I know temporadas in economical style in the Cartagena. Recommended go visit Baru Beach and to San Felipe Castle. Can be mountain in boat to go to Baru on travel big car. Cartagena is a city very visit foreigners on the tourists. Your description: Cartagena is good on the water to be on the beach. The temperature can reach 29 degrees Celsius. Next people to use sunscreens and Cartagena is visit beach. This is beautiful beach. It is also important to wear comfortable clothes. This is better than children play allies at the sea. This is important that your parents accompany you to recommendation in Cartagena. This is advisable to use some shade with the hair. This is important. This is important. The people use solar protector. Also, this is advisable the children while accompanied with their parents. This is advisable no drink or the salt water because we can help it. One told people in the planet's visit last holiday. People chose now in Cartagena, Baru Beach or the Will Island in the South. Why go visit San Felipe, Castle and the show the Wallet City at night. One of people to do in the last place visit shows no neglect their belongings. People show no neglect their children show to conflict. Thank you very much.